Mary, look at that customer. She is taking photos of every dish.
Yes, I see her. She has a big camera and a small light, too.
The food is getting cold. She is taking a long time.
I know, but she is a food blogger. She has many followers online.
Should I ask her to stop?
No, don't do that. Let me talk to her first. Excuse me, ma'am, can I help you with anything? Yes, the light here is not very good. Can I move to another table? Of course. Please follow me. This table has better light.
Good idea, Mary. Now the other customers can sit down.
Also, John, let's add a small sign on the menu. Best photos near the window.
That is a great idea. Bloggers will love that.
And maybe she will share our restaurant online.
Yes, good service and good photos. That is good for business.
Exactly. Happy customer, happy restaurant.